How to braid on the scalp.
Hey y'all, so it's just going to be me doing a 5 to 6 minute video of how to braid on the scalp in detail. So first you're going to gel jam it, whatever you do, and you're going to get in position with your Pac-Man fingers, which is your pointer, middle, and thumb finger. So you're going to first split the hair into 3 little pieces. And don't mind this part because it's not edited at all, so you guys can see it in slow-mo time. Don't mind the little crusty hair. I haven't washed it in months, but let's not talk about that part because I'm washing it this afternoon. And don't mind my head. I'm just looking just to make sure I'm doing it right for y'all. So once you have the 3 pieces, you're going to have a left, a middle, and a right. The left piece is going to go under the middle, or you could start with the right piece going under the middle, it doesn't matter. But once you take the left piece under the middle, you're not going to grab hair the first time, but the second time you will. So left, right, and then go left, right again, and this time you're going to pick up hair. So do left, right once, and then start picking up hair as you see I'm pointing to it. Then you're going to go under the left again, pick up hair, then go under the right. Then go under the left again, but pick up hair also. Detangle as you go because you don't want any straggly ends. Don't mind my head, I'm just checking, making sure. And you're going to continue this process throughout the whole video. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Fast forward, skip if you need to. But yeah, subscribe to my YouTube channel because more tutorials will be coming. And also follow my TikTok. Bye guys.